Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you stake how to redeem code. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To redeem our code on stake.com, what you need to do if you are a new user is then simply download the app, and once downloaded, simply open up the app, and then once you are there, tap on register to initiate the sign up process. Now fill in the required information like your details, and then once that's done, look at the code optional field below the email input and enter your promo code. Then once that's done, click play now to finalize your account setup. Now promo codes must be entered within 24 hours of account creation, otherwise they become invalid. Now for existing users, what you can do is log into your stake.com account, then simply tap on your reward section on the bottom of your screen, and here you will be provided with a bunch of offers to redeem bonuses according to the given tasks. Then once that's done, all you gotta do is just simply submit button to apply the code. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.